Poultry diseases, part 5. Today we are going to discuss about the parasites. What are parasites? Parasites are the organisms which depend upon another organism for food and shelter. Depending upon their location and or site, parasites are of two types, ectoparasites and endoparasites. Ectoparasites are the organisms which live outside the body of the organism, and endoparasites are the organisms which live inside the organism. These parasites feed on the organism. This organism is known as host, which supplies food or shelter to the parasite. And these parasites, they are harmful to the host. Some are symbiotic, some are harmful parasites. Ectoparasites and endoparasites are almost harmful to the host. They take the food material and weakens the body of the host. Now let's see what are ectoparasites in poultry industry. How does the disease occur? How these parasites attack the birds? That is through an agent. The agent is nothing but the parasite. This parasite attacks the host. Host in turn attacks the environment. Environment is nothing but the poultry farms. It may be vice versa. From the environment, that is the poultry farm, to the agent, from the agent to the host to environment. Like this, it will be vice versa. The infection is being transmitted through the host to the environment or through the persons who are inside the poultry farm who are being infected with the parasites. Now, infectious diseases are through virus, bacteria, fungus, parasites and protozoans. It may be in any form. They can attack the birds, which is an economical loss to the poultry industry. Ultimately, the poultry industry will be at a huge loss. If the industry is being attacked with viral, bacterial, there will be a huge loss. And also the parasites, which causes 40% loss in the industry. Now coming to the parasites. External or ectoparasites of the poultry are arthropods that live on skin and feathers. These parasites which live on skin and feathers. Insects that develop in poultry from the manure, dead carcasses and moist organic debris, thereby causing sanitation and public relations problems. Nearby the poultry house, sanitation and hygiene should be properly maintained. The ectoparasites, they belong to Arthropoda, externally segmented body with the jointed appendages and chitinous endoskeleton is present to the parasites. And these ectoparasites belongs to the class Insecta. Example, lice, flies, bugs. And mites belongs to class Arachnida. How can we detect the pests in the poultry? These birds will be having irritation, scratching, preening. You can see the birds are disturbed in the flock. Unexplained production drop. Lice and northern fowl mites. Examine the skin after parting the feathers. You can see the lice and northern fowl mites. Vent, head and legs should be closely examined so that precautions can be taken at an early stage. That is, frequent monitoring is a must in the poultry industry to gain benefits. Every 20 to 50 birds should be checked a minimum 2 times a month. You can see here the mites over here on the beak and around the eyes. You can see here, which causes lot of irritation to the birds. Lice. There are different types of lice. Chicken body louse, Menacanthus straminus, shaft louse, Minopon gallinae, chewing louse, lice, Menacanthus cornutus, wing louse, Liparus caponis, chicken head louse, Cuculotogaster hertographus, Pfaff louse, Gonicocoitus gallinae. These are the different types of lice that are found on different types of birds depending upon the location. Flies. Housefly Musca domestica, fruit fly, little housefly Fanica canularis, black garbage fly, Hydrotia ignava, bowfiles, Chrysoma rafifacius, and beetles, dark lining beetle or lesser mealworm, Alphytobis diaperennis, and bugs, common bugs, Climax lectularis, flea, cat flea, sting flea, mites, northern fowl mite or feather mite, Ornithonissus salvivarium, chicken mite, scaly leg mite, dumpling mite. These are some of the mites, fleas and bugs that are frequently seen. Lice. Infestation cause weight loss at the rate of about 711 grams per bird and decrease the egg yield at the rate of about 66 grams per bird. We can see with the pointer. Decrease the egg yield at the rate of 66 eggs per bird in a year. Lameness is associated with heavy lice infection. You can see the lice with the different sucking of the blood in their body. You can see here. Scientific name: kingdom Animalia, Arthropoda, Insecta, Amblycera, Minoponidae, Menacanthus, Menacanthus stramineus, Menacanthus gallinae, Menacanthus cornutus species. 3 types of species are present. Chicken body louse. Menacanthus straminus, found on the host skin, detected by parting the feathers. Here see the bird is always irritated and it is parting the feathers. abundant in vent, breast and thigh region. So here always it will be pricking with its beak, and this is the body loves Menacanthus straminus. These are the loves, they are spreading near the feathers, at the root of the feathers, causing the irritation. Masses of eggs, you can see here, these are the masses of eggs under the basal part of the small feathers. The females are 3 to 3.5 mm in length. Each hatch after 4 to 5 days. Nymph instar 3 days, and generation times 13 to 14 days. Its life cycle is 13 to 14 days. Now here you can see on the feathers, the female is laying the eggs. And here these are the different types of louses. Shaft louse, Minon gallinae, found on the shaft of the feathers. Almost all the lice are present on the base of the feather, shaft of the feather, and this is especially on the backyard chicken flocks, the chewing lice, Menacanthus cornutus, and this is the chicken head louse. Attached, these are attached to the feather hairs, and almost all the lice, they decrease the weight of the bird. Because of these irritation, the bird cannot eat properly, and when it is pricking with its, and here you can see wing louse, shaft louse, chewing lice, chicken head louse. These louse or lice, they cause lot of irritation to the birds, and this will be spreading from one bird to another bird. Now here, any guess? Can you see on the eye, on the upper eye, you can see the louse, which is very painful, where it cannot reach its beak. Now some of the house flies, which belongs to Arthropoda insecta, Diptera, Muscardina, Mucinae, Musca domestica. It is common fly pest. Most commonly, you can see all over the cosmopolitan distribution, and these flies, they are seasonal, does not bite poultry but can transmit poultry diseases, because surrounding areas of the farm, these flies will be there. They will be sitting on the dumping yards, where many type of diseases will be there, and these are the carriers. Carry and spread human diseases to the poultry. They act as an agents. For example, they may carry the tapeworm or the viral or the bacterial pathogens from one place to another place. These are some of the flies. Fruit fly, nausea pest, contaminate the food with bacteria, and when it comes and flies over the chicks, the local chicks are being affected by the fruit flies. Little house fly, Fanica canularis, and bowls flies, Chrysoma rufiaceae, which is green in color. They are the contagious or the carriers of many types of diseases. Here black garbage fly, Hydroti ignava. They are on the outdoor, and they will fly on the different types of vegetations, and then they are the carriers. When they come in contact with the birds, then the birds will be infected. And biological control. Saplangia nigroenia, wasp, adult wasp, lays an egg on the fly pupa with puparium, hard brown case containing the fly pupa. Then the developing wasp larva consumes the pupa and emerges as an adult. And it enters the manure surface, insecticides, and then when it flies over the birds, the contamination occurs. Now, bed bugs, common bed bugs. Nowadays, the bed bugs are not seen, but few places the bed bugs are still available or still present. They belong to class Insecta, Hymenoptera, Cimcidae, Cymax, Lectularis. And here see, you can see around the eye the bed bugs are present, and inside the feathers, also small feathers, you can see the bed bugs. They are reddish brown in color, oval shape, 3 to 4 generations per year. Still there is no spread of this disease, but yet sometimes you can observe. Fleas. These are the carriers by men or rats, mice, chicks and people. Occasionally when these persons who are working inside the farms may be infected with flea, and then it will be a carrier. It belongs to class Insecta, Siphonoptera, family Pulidae, genus Ctenocephalides, Felis or Ctenocephalidis gallinaceae. As we have already discussed that parasites are of two types depending upon their site and location: external parasites and internal parasites. External parasites that are present outside the body. Example: lice, mites, bugs, fleas, etc. Internal parasites that are living inside the body. Example: roundworms, gapworms, spirochetosis, tapeworms, cestodes and trematodes. Now coming to the external parasites. Some of the parasites will be seen. Lice and mites are common external parasites of poultry. Lice are insects while mites belongs to the same family as spiders. There are large number of lice and mites species that can infest poultry under appropriate conditions. Mites in chick are Dermis gallinae. They are either bloodsuckers or live on dry skin, scales, feathers or scabs on the skin. These mites, they are bloodsuckers or live on the dry skin, scales that are present on the legs, and feathers or scabs on the skin. You can see here chick lice of different stages. Adults can survive for 4 to 5 days away from the host. As they suck the blood, they can live for 4 to 5 days. Therefore, infestation can be spread by direct contact between bird to birds. But although contact with infested litter plays a vital role in contaminating. Symptoms of infestation can include scratching, poor feather condition, unthriftiness, nervous behavior, and anemia can occur with severe blood-sucking infestations. Here, when the animals they are with the lice or mites, always cause scratching to the animal, irritation. With that scratching, the feathers might not grow or falls down, and unthriftiness, nervous behavior, and anemia may cause. Flocks should be kept away from the backyard. Wild wild birds and individual birds examined regularly for adult parasites and eggs. They have to be monitored frequently so that there won't be any loss to the industry. Infestation can be treated with appropriate chemical pesticides either as dry powder or liquid sprays. Effectively, biosecurity producers such as an all-in or all-out clean out between folks will help manage these pests. Now here you can see the chick mites. Here you can see and the skin lesions by chicken mites. The scale, they are present inside the scale of the legs, and here inside the feathers you can see small black spots. These are this with the red pointer you can see here. Red mites. Coming to the red mites, they are caused by Dermani gallinae. The parasite birds, they are red mites which attack the poultry birds. They are obligatory but temporary nocturnal blood feeders. They visit their host at night and after engouring blood for 30 to 60 minutes, return to their hiding place. Cosmopolitan distribution. Here for 1 hour, half an hour to 1 hour, it sucks the blood. It is a nocturnal feeder that it comes in the nights and escapes during the day. Transmission chick mites live in a large colonies or clusters, sometimes multi-layered, near the roasting or resting places of chicken and survive for more than 9 months. Now here you can see the red mite life cycle. These lay the eggs 2 to 3 days, they hatch into larvae, and 1 to 2 days protonymphs are formed. These protonymphs, they penetrate beneath the feathers and start sucking the blood, and they become deutonymphs. Protonymphs becomes deutonymphs, and then within 2 to 3 days after sucking completely the blood, they become the adults. 5 times they suck the blood, and then within 12 to 24 hours they multiply like anything and then causes the bird irritations. Species that are affected: chickens. Clinical signs: blood loss leading to anemia, because as the number of red mites increase, then the blood sucked by the mites will be increased, then leads to anemia, irritation, stress due to disturbed sleep, increased feed intake. Feed will be taken more, but the development or the growth of the bird will not take place because of these mites. Blood spots on eggs resulting in egg downgrading. The layers cannot produce the eggs. Growers cannot grow properly. Higher infestation leads to lower egg production. Naturally, when it cannot eat properly, because in spite of eating more, taking feed more, also the bird cannot get the digested food, as the parasite is taking the digested food is being taken by the parasite, which leads to the lower the egg production. Red mites can act as a vector for bacterial and viral disease. It also acts as a vector In human skin, irritation and itching allergies may appear. The workers who are working in this poultry farm infected with poultry, birds infected with red mites also will be attacked the human that are present, the laborers or the inspecting officers that are present in the farm. Diagnosis, workers' irritation, set out traps to identify the red mites. Treatment. Insecticides, some products can be used in the polluted poultry houses against Dermaceus gallinae. Some are only allowed after cleaning in an empty farm. Resistance of red mites to used product can be a problem. Control poultry house hygiene, whole flock replacement rather than partial culling, cleaning thoroughly after removing previous flocks, avoid bringing in new mites. Here the egg cases should be cleaned thoroughly and egg trays, egg containers, transport equipment and passive transmission by people all have to sterilize the equipment in the poultry farm and frequent vaccination to the crew is a must, and these birds have to be protected from the rodents or wild birds. And some of the mites species affected, they affect all the birds. They are caused by scaly leg mites, Chemidocoptis mutans, chicken mites, Dermanis gallinae, northern fowl mites, Ornithorhynchus silvarium. These are some of the mites, scaly leg mites, chicken mites, northern fowl mites. Signs and lesions. Scaly leg mites, scaly and crusts in legs, combs and rattles. Northern fowl mite, back and feathers, scabby skin around the vent. These are the places where these mites attack. Prevention. Scaly leg mite, culling or isolation of the birds. Apply an oil-based product such as petroleum jelly or 50:50 kerosene and cooking oil mixed, or blue ribbon, a commercial mixture of plant oils, canols and camphors to the affected area. And for northern fall, monitor all birds and facilities for infestation, check egg flats and cases for mites, treat birds with approved insecticides such as carbaryl or Savin, use dry powder to dust birds, use liquid sprays and wash plastic flats and racks with hot water and detergent, that is disinfection of the equipment that are present in the farm. Tick fever or spirochetosis. It is caused by Borrelia aniserina, also known as Spirocheta gallinarum. It is transmitted by ticks, Argus persicus, and occasionally by infected ficus. fecal matter. There are two forms of diseases, mild and acute, with this tick fever. Acute forms can sometimes kill birds with no prior symptoms or warnings, though this is a rare. Tick fever, due to tick fever, the adults may die. This is the worm which feeds on the blood. Signs. What are the signs? Depression, cyanosis, thirst, often diarrhea with excessive urates, weakness, and progressive paralysis. Drops in egg production. So these are the some of the symptoms shown in this case. Treatment: antibacterial drugs, sulfonamides, tetracycline, erythromycin, streptomycin, penicillin can be used to treat. Prevention: control vector, vaccine in some countries. And these are some of the ectoparasites, mites, northern fowl mite here. This is the northern fowl mite. It has 4 pairs of legs, antennae. Chick red mite, legs and antennae. Scaly leg mite, number of scales you can see, number of scaly legs are present. And depluming mites, somewhat blackish color. Red mites are red in color. Thank you. Now we can continue our next part 6, that is endo